Our conference, the third annual APA Alumni Conference, has a theme, Breaking Barriers and Overcoming Obstacles in the 21st Century.
So the conference is organized by our APALSA student group, and it brings together our students and alumni to discuss topics of interest, and usually topics of particular interest to the Asian community.
One of the goals of our organization is to connect people in the Asian community, so connect the Asian Pacific American students with the practicing attorneys, judges, and other lawyers within the Boston and New York area.
We're addressing issues relevant to the Asian community as well as the legal community at large. Barriers, especially finding jobs in this economy, doesn't affect only Asian Americans or students of a certain background.
It really is about trying to find the most under-resourced and underrepresented communities out there. How can we go ahead and ensure that they have a voice? How can we ensure that they can also be at the table when making decisions? Public service will oftentimes,
especially with the keynote speech by Myron Kwan, I think he kind of lit a fire under everyone to really go out and do some public service and to really just go out and know that we can make a difference.
Especially in the last few years, I've just seen a huge spike in terms of Boston University School of Law alumni making a huge impact in this country and in the world. We have folks throughout the judicial system. We have lawyers, judges, nonprofit leaders, government leaders. Gary Locke obviously is one of the ones we always talk about, as well as Barbara Jordan. We're very diverse.
The transitions panel helps students understand the various transitions lawyers have made through either private practice into an in-house position or into other positions in nonprofits or starting your own firm. You need to do a lot of intelligence work in order to get a good job in this economy. You need to understand who you're going to be working with, what their background is, and find that connection. I think it's very important to persevere. I found my dream job, and there is a dream job out there for each one of you.
The speed mentoring is a chance for students to speak one-on-one with alumni, to give them more advice about their personal backgrounds and interests, and to see if the alums would have any tailored advice for the careers that they're looking to go into.
I'm a moderator for the panel on government and public service. It's a big part of our office and our role here to help students explore ways to be involved in public service.
I'm in the U.S. Attorney's Office in the Organized Crime Drug Enforcement Task Force. If you do want to join the government as a litigator, you obviously need trial experience. So one way to do that as a young associate is to do pro bono work, because oftentimes you'll have more responsibility on pro bono matters.
I would seek out mentors. Don't wait for them to come to you. And I think in particular people who are at a later stage in their careers are very happy to help people who are just beginning their careers.
It is critical that in order for law students to succeed, that we alumni give back to the community, that we network, we mentor, we provide advice.
Their first job is not their last job, and it will be more of a journey in law than an immediate destination after they graduate.
The more advice you hear from other people, the more I think it makes your law school career a little more fulfilling and hopefully more rewarding.